Ever wondered what happens when power meets luxury? Let's dive into the BMW XM Red Label Edition. This SUV isn't just about getting from office to home, it's about making a detailed report on every journey. Imagine driving a car that feels like a high-end sports car but with the comfort of a luxury SUV. Delighted? Ready to see why this car is turning heads? Watch the video and let's take a ride together. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. The unique appeal of the BMW XM. First things first, let's talk about the sheer presence of the BMW XM Red Label Edition. Just imagine you're cruising down the street in a car that turns heads at every corner. The XM isn't just large, it's commanding. Its design is bold and almost theatrical, ensuring you never blend into the crowd. This isn't just another SUV, it's a statement on wheels. The question is, do you want to make that statement? Initially, you might think, isn't this a bit much? But after a couple of months after the wheel, your perspective will shift. Because the XM isn't just a car, it's an experience. The luxury of exclusivity. So, what makes the Red Label Edition stand out? Well, only 500 of these beauties are being made worldwide. That's right, owning one is like joining an exclusive club. With a price tag of around $350,000 before additional costs, this isn't your average family car. It's for those who already have a few exotics in the garage and want something different. Maybe you're tired of seeing the same G-Wagons and Urusas in your neighborhood. The XM Red Label is your chance to stand out. Inside the BMW XM. Let's move into the inside of this BMW XM, and you're greeted by an interior that's nothing short of spectacular. The XM's cabin is all about luxury and comfort. Think Fiona red merino leather upholstery, red and blue carbon fiber trim, and a futuristic 3D effect roof with ambient lighting. It's like stepping into a high-end lounge. The driver's seat is a particular highlight, comfortable, commanding, and perfect for long drives. Technology-wise, the XM is loaded. You've got a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen, and a head-up display. Everything is crisp, clear, and incredibly user-friendly. And let's not forget the 1500 watt-Bowers & Wilkins sound system. Trust me, once you hear it, you might find yourself sitting in the garage just to finish listening to your favorite song. Power and performance. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The XM Red Label Edition packs a punch with a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine and an electric motor. Together, they produce a whopping 550 kilowatts of power and 1,000 nanometer of torque. This makes it the most powerful BMW M car ever sold in Australia. Imagine going from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds. It's not just fast, it's exhilarating. Despite its power, the XM can also run in pure electric mode. BMW claims it has a range of 83 kilometers on a full charge, but in real-world conditions, you might get around 70 kilometers. And here's a quirky bit. There's no fast charging option. But hey, considering most of us don't drive more than 80 kilometers a day, it's not a deal breaker. The feeling of driving the BMW XM. Driving the XM is like playing a highly customizable video game. You can adjust everything from the engine and battery behavior to the suspension and steering. Whether you want a smooth, silent ride in electric mode or a thrilling drive with the V8 engine roaring, the XM delivers. It defaults to hybrid mode, balancing performance and efficiency beautifully. But let's be honest, the XM isn't perfect. The ride can be a bit harsh on poor quality roads, and while it's fast, it doesn't quite match the thrill of some of its competitors like the Lamborghini Urus. It's like trying to be a jack of all trades, great at many things, but not necessarily the best at any one thing. Safety and practicality. Safety is a big deal, and the XM doesn't disappoint. It comes packed with features like autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and a 3D surround view camera. Although it hasn't been tested by safety authorities yet, given BMW's track record, you can expect top-notch safety standards. Practicality-wise, the XM offers 527 liters of boot space. That's more than enough for your everyday needs. With features like a hands-free power tailgate, heated and cooled cup holders, and wireless charging, it's designed to make your life easier. Is it worth it? So, after spending considerable time with the BMW XM Red Label Edition, what's our final verdict? Well, if you're looking for a car that combines luxury, power, and exclusivity, this is it. It's not just another SUV, it's a unique blend of an electrified future and a powerful past. It It may not be perfect, but it offers a driving experience that's hard to match. Think about it. How often do you come across a car that can be a near-silent electric vehicle one moment and a roaring V8 monster the next? The XM Red Label edition is not for everyone, but for those who want something truly special, it's definitely worth a look. So, would you consider the BMW XM Red Label edition for your next ride? Or do you prefer sticking with the usual suspects like the G-Wagon or Urus? Think about that, and if you ever get the chance, take the XM for a spin. You might just find yourself falling in love with this bold, luxurious beast. Yep, guys, that's a wrap on the BMW XM Red Label edition. If you enjoyed this deep dive into its features and performance, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And for more exciting videos on the latest cars, make sure to subscribe.